What is up, guys? Today we're working on taking out the engine on our BMW 335 and we're gonna rebuild it. So stay tuned. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and just browse the channel.
Keep it short like a haiku. Blow 100, I might do. You don't flex like I do.
Took out the intercooler. So we got all the front end parts out, radiator and all that.
What about this one? This
I'm gonna
one's
go ahead and just disconnect the wire harness now. And then from there, the exhaust and the drive shaft, and then it's all out. Everything is pretty much ready to go.
So you said your uncle's Russian, right?
He's not really in that much of a hurry, no.
But everything is out. Everything is loose. Transmission and engine is ready to come out. Exhaust is disconnected.
I need a go start.
All it is just the engine mount and pulling it out of here.
Full send? You think they guys run us?
Alright, send it. What is up, guys? We finally got the engine and the transmission out and on the work table. So I guess right now we're gonna try to start taking some of it apart. Maybe the valve cover and some of the things on top. Maybe some of these hoses here. Yeah.
Yeah, we finna tear this bitch up. I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be doing this.
Is it?
It's not supposed to make no noise, probably. It sounds like a rattle.
Transmission was replaced. There was a LKQ sticker in here somewhere. And it's missing a bolt.
Transmission ain't been through no type of wars.
No type of work. Hey, we're hoping to be at like 500 by the time we put it in. I think we could achieve that. Anyway, we'll about to get into it. This nigga is eating, bruh. You gotta share, but he's eating the whole thing.
This is yours.
Yeah, he expects to eat. What?
He trying to make us eat, but he trying to eat, and I'm trying to eat.
And he ate the whole thing. He was not planning on splitting this at all. Hold the camera, man. Chill. Fuck it.
Man, niggas tired, bro. But hey, bro, we gotta lift up the tranny. You feel me? To get some bolts from under it.
So it's slow.
And niggas ain't finna do that right now. It's slow. So yeah, we finna check in with y'all tomorrow. I don't know what edit you wanna do. Like, do something. Oh shit.
Got the sauce in the recipe. Shorty bless me like I sneezed. Second cash, they envy me. Ballin' hard, I'm